Let's make healthy burgers. Sounds good to me. I'm going to start with 20 ounces of meat. I'm going to add some oats and about a cup and a half of arugula, finely chopped. A couple eggs. Remember, we're just starting with 20 ounces of meat, and that's going to work out to about 2.5 ounces of beef per serving. That was a little tomato sauce. Now a little black pepper. Those two things together are going to give it a nice smoky flavor. Some juice from some whole Ortega chilies that I'm going to use later. I like to put in some whole yogurt also. Get in there, squish it all up. I'm going to get about 8 burgers out of this, as you can see. And remember, they each have only about 2.5 or 70 grams of meat. Start my oil. I'm going to feather it with garlic. I'm going to do the burgers about 4 at a time. I put the Ortegas separately, and this is what I'm going to serve them. And I want you to enjoy.